Hello everyone, welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to learn how to write a truck driver job application letter, step by step, in a clear, professional, and easy-to-follow way. A truck driver job application letter is a formal letter written to a transportation company or logistics business to apply for a driving position. This letter introduces you as a professional driver, highlights your driving experience, licenses, safety record, and work ethic, and explains why you would be a reliable addition to the company. Because truck driving involves safety, responsibility, and trust, this letter needs to sound confident, honest, and professional from start to finish. Now let's go through the letter from the top, and for each part, I'll explain what to write, why it's important, tips to remember, and then I'll read the full sample paragraph so you know exactly what to write. Check this out. Applicant's contact information. We start with your contact information at the top of the letter. This includes your full name, address, email, and phone number. This section tells the employer who you are and how to contact you if they want to move forward with your application. This is especially important in driving jobs because companies often need drivers quickly and must be able to reach you without any confusion. A good tip here is to always use a professional email address and make sure your phone number is active and correct. Here's how it appears in the sample letter. Kevin R. Thompson, 7824 Ridgeway Park Drive, Knoxville, Tennessee, 37918. Email, kevin.thompson@email.com. Phone, 8654439176. Date. Next, we write the date. The date shows when the letter was written and keeps your application organized and professional. Always write the full date, rather than using numbers only. In this example, the date is written as Date, March 21st, 2026. Employer's information. After the date, we include the employer's information. This part shows respect and attention to detail. It also makes the letter feel more personal instead of generic. For truck driving jobs, always double-check the company name and address. Here's the sample. Hiring Manager, Blue Line Freight Services, 4100 Logistics Parkway, Knoxville, Tennessee, 37921. Subject line. Now let's look at the subject line. The subject line clearly states why you are writing. Hiring managers may receive many applications, so this helps them immediately understand the purpose of your letter. Keep it short and direct, like this. Subject: Application for truck driver position. Salutation. Next comes the salutation, which is your greeting. If you don't know the hiring manager's name, Dear Hiring Manager is professional and completely acceptable. Always include a comma at the end. First paragraph. Introduction and licenses. Now let's move into the first main paragraph, which is your introduction. In this paragraph, you should clearly state the position you are applying for, mention your commercial driver's license, and briefly describe your experience and work values. This paragraph creates the first impression, so it should sound confident and responsible. Why this is important is because employers want to quickly know that you are qualified, licensed, and serious about safety. A helpful tip is to focus on reliability and professionalism rather than too many details at this stage. Here's the full sample paragraph. I'm writing to apply for the truck driver position at Blue Line Freight Services. I hold a valid commercial driver's license, CDL, and have professional experience operating long-haul and local delivery trucks while maintaining a strong focus on safety, punctuality, and vehicle care. I take pride in delivering goods efficiently and responsibly. Second paragraph, experience and responsibilities. Now we move to the second paragraph, which focuses on your work experience and daily responsibilities. This paragraph explains what you do on the job, such as transporting freight, inspecting vehicles, and following regulations. This is important because employers want drivers who understand both driving and compliance. A good tip here is to mention DOT regulations, inspections, and communication, because these show professionalism and awareness of safety standards. Here's the full sample paragraph. In my current role with Ridgeway Transport Solutions, I am responsible for transporting freight across assigned routes, performing routine vehicle inspections, and ensuring all deliveries are completed on schedule. I follow DOT regulations closely, maintain accurate delivery logs, and communicate effectively with dispatch to handle route changes or delivery updates. Third paragraph, personal qualities and company interest. Next is the third paragraph, where you explain why you want to work for this company and highlight your personal strengths. This paragraph matters because companies want drivers who are not only skilled, but also dependable and a good fit for their team. Truck driving often requires working independently for long hours, so employers value focus, discipline, and responsibility. A tip here is to show respect for the company's reputation and explain how your values match theirs. Here's the full sample paragraph. I am particularly interested in joining Blue Line Freight Services because of its reputation for reliability and driver professionalism. I'm dependable, detail-oriented, and comfortable working independently for extended periods while remaining focused and alert on the road. I also have a strong record of safe driving and customer satisfaction. Fourth paragraph, interview request. Now we move to the closing paragraph. This paragraph politely asks for an opportunity to discuss the job further. It should sound confident, but respectful, showing that you are ready for the next step. A helpful tip is to avoid sounding demanding. Instead, show flexibility and availability. Here's the sample paragraph. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss how my driving experience and work ethic can contribute to your transportation team. I am available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. Sign off and signature. Now we finish the letter with a formal closing. Always use a professional sign-off, such as "Sincerely," followed by your signature and full name. Here's how it looks. Sincerely, signature, Kevin R. Thompson. Before we end, here are some overall tips for writing a strong truck driver job application letter. Always be honest about your experience, licenses, and driving record. Keep your tone professional and confident, and focus on safety, reliability, and responsibility. Avoid using casual language, and make sure your letter is well organized and free from spelling or grammar mistakes. Remember, this letter represents you before the employer ever meets you. Take your time, customize each letter for the company, and let your work ethic speak through your words. And that's it. That's how you write a truck driver job application letter. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step writing guides. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.